Hi, welcome to Vlogmas number 4. We're on number 4, and thank you for joining me again today. I know this is a late one today, and I'm actually recording this at 10 o'clock, well 10:16. So this is in the evening. This is actually usually when I do my most crochet, and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on today, and the reason why it's so late before I got the video out. I actually was working today. Of course, I work every day, but I didn't get much time for crochet. It's a pretty busy day. But let me show you what I've been up to this evening anyway. So I got more done on this blanket. Look at that. I'm really loving how these colors work together. Isn't that so pretty? So gorgeous. So I got that done. I know I'm talking quietly. My family's all asleep, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that away. And then I started on, I'm gonna get it caught up, but I started on my my other one, the gray and the red and the white, and this is how much I've gotten done so far. See? I have a few more rows to do to get it caught up so that I can do it in stages just like I'm doing the other one. And then my Christmas, very Christmassy one, the red, green, and white one is right here. And that is how that one's coming out. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Look at the little kitties. Ah, so cute. I love that stitch. So that's how my Christmas one is coming. And see here, I had a notebook where I wrote down all the topics that I'm going to go over. And of course now I can't find my notebook, but another exciting thing that happened today, my my husband, he's so cute. He can't, he buys me Christmas presents and he can't keep them until Christmas. So, and I do the same thing with him. So we kind of get each other stuff throughout the month of November and December, and we give it to each other right away. But so he gave me my Christmas gift today and also my birthday gift. So my birthday gift, I got an email about it, and he got me a subscription to, I think it's Crochet Worlds. He got me a subscription to that for 2 years. So that was my birthday present from him. And then my Christmas present is this. Isn't that cute? I actually been wanting this. I have a Dot, an Echo Dot, or an Amazon Echo Dot something. Anyway, the little one, the little disc looking one. So I've had that one, but I wanted to show one because we do have the Blink cameras. So it'd be nice to kind of do that. And then I have it here in front of me, and it's got the time on it and everything. And it's funny, you can actually even watch Amazon Prime shows on it. I need to see what else I can do with it, but you know, I've been interested in that. So he did pick up that for me for Christmas. So I've had a pretty good day. Now I am going to go over some more specific stuff with you in future episodes, but I did want to make sure I got something out today before the day got away from me, and I continued on with my crochet and then realized, ooh, it's after midnight, I need to post something, and I hadn't done it yet. So that's how it's going. Yeah, I don't think I have too much else to share today. Tomorrow I might take you guys with me to Dollar Tree to see if they have any yarn there, but we'll see. Now I know this week I didn't get out a regular video. I hadn't gotten it edited yet, so I'm going to focus on that on Sunday after I get out my my vlog for that day. I'm going to focus on editing on Sunday and get things scheduled like they should be, so you guys don't miss out on any of the other videos that I have planned. Anyway, I want to wish you guys a wonderful evening and a great day tomorrow, and I will see you in the morning at 11 a.m. for my live, and then of course 5 p.m. will be the Yarn Hookers live, so I can't wait to see you then. You guys have an amazing evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Mwah.